This is a very simple tool, but I really, really love it for doing multi-layered laser design projects. And this short video shows you how to use it to get really great alignment between your layers. What you're going to do is be sure you have 2 points on this left side touching, okay? And then slide it all the way down to that top spot. As long as you maintain these 2 spots, sorry, my lighting's bad. These 2 spots here, that spot there, every one of your layers will match up as they come together. So that's layer 4. So what I'm gonna do, just like we did on layer 4, is be sure, I kind of like to hold layer 4 with one hand and then align this one. So all the way over on the 2 spots it hits, and then up against the top as well. Just a little hard to align and talk about. Okay, so we got it all nice and lined up, and you basically just gently drop that into place and give it a good press, and you'll see these are very well aligned, much better than I can do just by feeling it and doing it freehand. So I like to use this tool. It's come in very handy.